Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by Class Theta. So I welcome you again. So today as our question which we'll be discussing is a customer calls complaining their laptop won't start. What should you say? So we have some responses here. I'm sorry, you may need to replace your battery. Second response is that you must be frustrating, that's why you're tired so far. What you have tried so far, sorry. So, and the third response is not a problem, I can fix this for you in no time. So the answer of the question and the appropriate answer that would be that must be frustrating. What should you have tried so far? So by asking the customer what they have tried, you are gathering information about the troubleshooting steps that have already taken. This allows you to understand the situation better and provide targeted assistance. It shows the empathy towards the customer's frustration, acknowledging their concerns. So that's the answer. If you have any question, just leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye bye.